Hi everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and I'm back, and we're going to do our cash stuffing for our sinking funds for July. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe money. Go ahead and get your money out that you have to do some cash stuffing for, and I will meet you all here in just a little bit to go over my 5 million sinking funds that I have set up. If you like these videos, go ahead, hit that subscribe. See y'all in just a little bit. Alrighty, so here we go. We are putting, pretty sure I'm still putting, look here, I have a list of the sinking funds. $3, yeah. Still putting $3 into Parents' Anniversary. We are going to have to do a lot of cash exchanges, I think. Because I think I'm just like real off on all of these. So Parents' Anniversary has $23. It gets 3, 1, 2, 3, which is, we can switch out for 5 now, which is fantastic. So we'll put these 5 back, grab this 5, and now we've got 26 for our parents. And we got some 1s. This is how this probably whole thing is gonna go. It's just me shuffling down the line of locating where I'm gonna be able to find a couple of extra dollars from. Okay, so Parents' Anniversary has 26. Mom and Dad's Day, we are at the 0 and they get 3. So that's, they're still at 3. Are they at 2 or 3? What did I budget for them? Yay, good, 3. Because we've struggled with that one. 1, 2, 3. So they'll get that 3 to start them off. Yay. It's Mom and Dad's Mother and Father's Day, as you know, just recently passed, so I just put the 3 in there. I make up for it if I need more, if I want to get them something else. I don't really make too big of a deal out of it, honestly. And then we have the 3 birthdays. So we have, let's put the 3 for that. Let me take that off because that's just annoying. Let's do Mom's B-Day first. Let's see, she should have 15. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great, she's supposed to get 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, we're going to be switching out and probably grabbing a 20, maybe. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, not a 20 because we don't have enough for that. Mom's has 18, but we'll definitely be switching out for a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll see what Dad's looks like because I don't know how much he has, and I think I need to leave some of these 5s there or switch out for some 10s coming up because I'm gonna need the monies, y'all. Let's see. Okay, Dad's is gonna have 15 as well. Looks like he's got some 1s, which is nice. So he gets 1, 2, 3. And I think we'll trade his out again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And trade his out for 5. Okay. That's it for the 5s, y'all. So we're gonna have to see how the rest of these go. 18 for him. My sis, oh yay, she'll get her 3, but she will be at hers, so she's now at 31. Dad will be at 18. Sis gets her 3, but she will be ready for a switcheroo. 1, 2, 3. So 1. Oops, hold on a second. How much does she have? 28. Okay, so yeah. 1. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. She only needs 30. So we're going to switch out this for some 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was like, this math seems off. So there's her 30 and then 1 to start for next year. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Love being ahead. but you never know when something's gonna happen. So now we can put all that away and get started on the next one, which is Juneteenth. Juneteenth just passed, but 4th of July is on its way up. They both get $1. Wow. So we should still have 12, maybe a little bit more than 12 in there. Where's that one at? Here we go, right here. So we have the 12 for 4th of July. We have the 2 for that. We'll add another 2. So we will keep this because I want to keep the change. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $16 in here. We'll write down 16, but that 12 will probably be gone in a little bit because 4th of July is coming up soon. So we'll put 16. Thanksgiving gets 15. Yay, we actually have the 15 for that, which makes me happy because I hate when I don't have that. Look at this. Ooh, I need to make some change, don't I? I've got a lot of these. A lot. Okay, so it gets 15. So another one of these. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 60. Yep, that's what we're supposed to have. Let's trade out some of these 5s. 5s will be nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Put down that for a 20 and grab a 20. So there we go. I don't think I'll need, because I know I need at least 120. So we will leave that as is. Let's count it again. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. I thought I had more, but 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. Yep, okay, we're right. All right. So there we go. And then that's put away. And now Christmas and New Year's. So 160. All right, Christmas gets 20. So we're just gonna throw a 20 in there. Oh, I didn't realize I had something that was not a 20 in there. Interesting. Ooh, we have a 50 in here. I hate 50s. Okay, so 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 195. Yep, 195. Perfect. I'm getting better at counting, y'all. I'm getting better at counting when I have a 50. That's so exciting, honestly. And then $1 for New Year's, and New Year's is at who even knows? I think I'm way ahead. So let's see, that's 2021, 2022. I don't know why that says 2023. Interesting. But we're at 7 now. Okay. That's on track. No, I don't put a lot of money around for New Year's. And I don't care. I'm not going to start. So, I mean, unless, I don't know. Unless I move or something and it just becomes really significant to me, it's good. My $10 is enough to get me some foods. Or something. Oh, I gotta put that candle out. How funny. Okay, tech. Oh, technology. Technology's been getting kind of hit, y'all. It's been a little rough. Y'all know I had to buy a new phone because my other one just was not working. Oh, here's my hair. Remember I was looking for that in my other one? Got it. Okay, let me put that up then. There you go. Okay, so there we go. Great. Okay. I don't even think I'm putting anything in the stock, so I'm gonna put that one up as well because I don't think anything goes there. All right. Technology. Technology is getting $10. Look, we had 95 there. Let's see what we even have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Wow, y'all. Okay, so 10. So now we have 17. That's a blessing. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. But you know, that's what sinking funds are for. Sinking funds are so that when you have something go on, you have the money to go and pay for it. So I needed a new phone. I was able to go get it. I needed to get some... Oh, I needed a new charger cable because the one I had was like not working at all. So I was able to go get one because I put money aside in my sinking funds. And so it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, and I can't be upset about that. So let's go ahead and get this planner one taken care of. So planner gets 5. We were at 21, yep, so we get 5. I don't have anything I can really trade this for other than some 10s, I guess. Which I guess I will go ahead and do because there's quite a few. Well, some things need 5s. I need, how many more 5s? Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and trade these out. So there we go. And I hope I don't regret it because I think I only need 2 more 10s. Great, okay. So now we're at 20, 10, 20, 25, 26. 26, perfect. 26, because at some point at the end of the year, I will want to get a new calendar. So I'll need money to get that. And that's why I have a planner. Planner money put aside. I haven't bought any stickers. I'm not a real big sticker person though, so that's not surprising. But I haven't even bought any pins, and I used to love to buy pins. Cosplay. Cosplay and gardening has zilch because I bought stuff for gardening, so that gets its $2. That account, look at it. Look at it. This is why I check on this. Because look, we have 4, 6, 7, 10, 2, 4, and now we're back to 2. So it's like you can tell when spring is here because I have no money. I have no money in that one. And this time it's in summer. Singing Bowls gets, it's 5. Singing Bowls has just been trudging along, y'all. So Singing Bowls should be at 96. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. We should have 96. I'm missing one. Oh, you know what? I think that's wrong. Anyways, add the 5. We actually hit 100. $40 to go, and then we will hit our goal and be able to buy our next singing bowl. Okay, and then phone gets 10. Phone also took a hit because, like I said, I had to buy that new phone. So we have 10, 20 in phone. Add another 10. That gives us 30. Slow and steady, though. Slow and steady. We're building that one back up. So we've got 10. We have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous gets, this video is getting long. I should have did one page and then did the other. I will do that next time. Miscellaneous gets 5. Miscellaneous is at 0, I'm pretty sure. Yep, so that is just going to be 5. And then health gets 5. Health is right here. So health should have 30. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 35 now. And then where's that? There we go. So 35. Canva gets 10. That is right here. So Canva should be at 60. Ooh. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. $70. Right where we need to be. 70. NTTA gets its 5. We which is good. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I have money left over. Why do I have money? Oh, because I have to do these. Right. Okay. So, there's for that one. Oh, and my savings. I wonder where those ones are. I don't think they're on here. 25. Okay. I actually think I will stop the video, come back, finish out spring equinox and things, and then do my savings. So that's going to be it for our first half of the paychecks, and I will, or for sinking funds, and then we'll be back in just a little bit to finish them out because there's so freaking many of them. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for sticking with me. I will see you all in a little bit to finish out these sinking funds. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Bye bye.